Hello viewers, today we are going to see how we can use DISM command with check health options. The check health options is generally used with DISM to find any corrections inside the local image of Windows. However, this option cannot perform any sort of repair, but it will help you to find any corruptions. So we will quickly go to our command prompt. So click on start. Go to command prompt here, open it as an administrator, and here I am using this DISM command online clean up image. Check. Now press enter. System shows that there is no corruption detected and the operation completed successfully. So this was a very quick command video. Hope you will find this useful, guys. Thank you so much.